Do your legs feel weaker than they did a few years ago? Maybe stairs feel harder, getting out of a chair takes more effort, or you feel less steady when walking. These changes can happen as we get older, but muscle loss isn't something you simply have to accept. Today, I'll show you 3 simple exercises you can do with a chair to strengthen your legs, improve stability, and make everyday movements easier. And stay until exercise number 3, because it challenges both legs individually and can reveal strength differences you may not even notice. Let's get started. Exercise number 1, heel raises. Let's begin with heel raises. Stand behind your chair and use the backrest lightly for balance. Slowly lift your heels until you're standing on your toes. Pause briefly at the top, then lower your heels with control. Aim for 10 to 15 repetitions and 2 to 3 sets. This simple movement targets your calf muscles, which play an important role every time you walk, push off the ground, or adjust your balance. Strong calves can help you feel more stable, especially when walking over uneven surfaces. Exercise number 2, seated knee extensions. Now let's target the front of your thighs. Sit upright in your chair with your feet comfortably on the floor. Straighten one knee and lift your lower leg until your leg is almost straight. Pause for about 2 seconds, then slowly return to the starting position. Aim for 10 repetitions on each leg for 2 to 3 sets. This exercise targets your quadriceps, some of the most important muscles for standing up, walking, climbing stairs, and controlling your knees. Here's something many people miss. Don't just swing your leg up and drop it back down. That slow return is part of the exercise. Exercise number 3, supported split squat. And unlike the previous exercises, this movement challenges each leg separately. Stand beside your chair and hold it securely with one hand. Place one foot slightly forward and the other behind you. Slowly bend both knees and lower your body only as far as comfortable. Then press through your front foot and return to standing. Start with 6 to 8 repetitions on each side for 2 sets. This exercise challenges your quadriceps, glutes, hamstrings, and balance at the same time. And there's another important benefit. Because each leg works independently, you may notice that one side feels stronger or more stable than the other. Quick recap. So let's quickly review today's routine. Number 1, heel raises. Build calf and lower leg strength. Number 2, seated knee extensions. Target the quadriceps for stronger walking and standing. Number 3, supported split squats. Challenge both legs individually while building strength, stability, and control. You don't need to train for hours. Start with these exercises around 3 days per week. Allow your muscles time to recover, and gradually increase the repetitions as they become easier. If this routine helped you, like this video and subscribe for more simple strength, mobility, and balance exercises.